we are at my clinic in Tijuana, Mexico. I'm here with
Veronique.
Now, what part of the world did you come from, my dear?
Well, I'm French, but now I live in the other side of Mexico, in the Caribbean, Easter time.
Oh, now that's beautiful. What did you come in with? Because I know you're making decisions that are radically different, and you're seeing results.
Yeah, exactly. Since 22 years, since I'm 30 years old, doctors wanted me to have a hip replacement. I could not, well, at one point it was very difficult for me to walk and so much pain, like waking up 20 times at night because of the pain and not able to dance, to live my life properly, really.
Yeah, but you chose not to. So, I mean, your grandma or mom must have given you like inner strength, because to not be swayed by medical professionals, that's something.
Well, I really believe that, the day that you have like a surgery, it's not the same. Your body is created, in a way that, you need everything, every part, of your body. So when you get rid of something, it's not the same. I broke some bones and it's not the same anymore. So I didn't want to start, the process to have one hip replacement and another one 15 years later and 15 years later. And because as well, I can see some people have maybe good results, but some, many not. So I really didn't. I wanted to wait as much as I could and maybe even, avoid the surgery, just because I really believe in the body that can regenerate itself and all of that.
I know she's talking crazy, like the body's self-healing and self-regulating. Oh, wait, it is. Now, what kind of results have you had?
Since I saw you?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Since the first day, first I was really like mind-blowing, all of the exams and when the assessment that you do at the clinic, I was like really mind-blowing. It was the first time that I was understanding, what was the root cause of everything, of my pain, of my hip or other, thing that I have in my body. So it was like, yes, mind-blowing. And then after the first day, I could see that I had less pain. I was walking more properly, and I had, even soles in my shoes. And I remember I arrived in my hotel room and I was walking better barefoot than with my shoes. And the day after, I told the doctor that, I don't feel comfortable with my soles. And you say, yeah, but you don't need them anymore. So,
I mean, it's just brilliant. I mean, in the most psychotic medical system, wherever you get a symptom, you get a pill. You got an ill, they got a pill. And chemical-based healthcare is insane. And you're right, removing parts. I mean, if you have your appendix ripped out, you got a 60% increase in colon cancer. Keeping your parts is a good idea. Now, because what could you tell someone? Although you've already said it so well, okay? Because they're in a medical authority that's over them. Mm-hmm. What could you tell them to find that inner strength that you found?
Oh, well, the results are just come to the clinic, because the results are so, I have no words. I'm so grateful every day. I just give thanks, because I'm going to be able to avoid, the surgery, being able to live my life, that, I put on the side for 20 years. I couldn't go dancing. I had to stop kiteboarding, which was one of my passion and all of that. So I would say that, no, just find the strengths, everything to find another way, because it's worth it. Really, it's worth it.
And living in the Caribbean, you're going to have tons of opportunities to kiteboard.
Thank you.
Okay,
yes.
Take care of yourself. Your body is self-healing and self-regulating. We all can't live on the Caribbean, but God bless you all.